Today we will study about De Morgan's laws for negating quantifiers. Negation of for all x p of x is logically equivalent to there exists x negation p of x. Negation of there exists x p of x is logically equivalent to for all x negation p of x. For example, consider a proposition having the quantifier for all. All elephants are black. This is a proposition involving the quantifier all, and suppose we want to negate this proposition. The negation is actually it is not the case that all elephants are black. In other words, all elephants are not black. And in other words, there exists at least one elephant which is not black. So actually negation of this proposition is there is at least one elephant which is not black. So when we negate a proposition involving the quantifier all, we will get a proposition where there is a quantifier there exists. In a similar way, if we have a proposition involving a quantifier there exists, the negation of that proposition will be equivalent to another proposition in which the quantifier used is for all. Let us write the negation of these quantified expressions. First expression is negation of for all x, x square equal to x. Here the predicate is x square equal to x, quantifier is for all x, and we have to write the negation of this proposition. So this will be equivalent to the quantifier for all becomes there exists x. Then we have to write the negation of the predicate, that is negation of x square equal to x, and which will be equivalent to there exists x, x square not equal to x. Likewise, if we want to negate there exists x mod x equal to x, it is logically equivalent to the quantifier there exists x becomes for all x. Now we have to write the negation of the predicate mod x equal to x, and which will be logically equivalent to for all x. Negation of this predicate mod x equal to x is mod x not equal to x. Some more examples. Negate each proposition where x is an arbitrary integer. First problem, for all x, x square greater than 0. We have to write the negation of this proposition, and it is logically equivalent to there exists x, negation of x square greater than 0, which is logically equivalent to there exists x, x square less than or equal to 0. The negation of x square greater than 0 is x square less than or equal to 0. Next problem, we have to write the negation of there exists x, x square not equal to 5x minus 6, which is logically equivalent to for all x, negation of x square not equal to 5x minus 6, and it is logically equivalent to for all x, negation of this proposition is x square equal to 5x minus 6. Next one, every supercomputer is manufactured in Japan. So here the quantifier is every. So when we write the negation of the proposition, the quantifier every becomes there exists. So we can write there is a supercomputer. Now the predicate here is supercomputer is manufactured in Japan, and its negation is supercomputer is not manufactured in Japan. So the negation becomes there is a supercomputer which is not manufactured in Japan. And another proposition, there are no white elephants. Here the quantifier is universal quantifier, because the word no means that for every elephants they are not white. So its negation becomes there is a white elephant. Here actually the universe of discourse consists of set of all elephants, and we take an arbitrary element x from that universe of discourse, and the predicate here is x is not white, and the statement here is for all x p of x. For any elephant it is not white. So its negation becomes there exists x negation of p of x. Negation of p of x means x is white. Therefore, this statement becomes there is a white elephant. Let us go through some more problems involving quantifiers. Rewrite each sentence symbolically where the universe of discourse consists of real numbers. So here the universe of discourse is set of all real numbers. Here the problem numbered as 21 is the product of any two real numbers x and y is positive. So we have to take two real numbers x and y from the universe of discourse. So here the quantifier used is any two. That is, we have to write for every x and for every y. Here the predicate is product of any two real numbers x and y is positive. So we have to write x into y is greater than 0. So this means that for any real number x and for any real number y, x into y is greater than 0. Next one, there are real numbers x and y such that x equal to 2y. So here the quantifier is there exists x and there exists y such that the condition is x equal to 2y. And problem 23, for each real number x, there is some real number y such that x into y equal to x. Here also we will take x and y belong to the universe of discourse. And the real number x, the quantifier used is for each. That is represented by the symbol for all x. So for all x, and the quantifier for y is there is some real number y. That is there exists y. The condition is x into y equal to x. Here note that for each represents universal quantifier and there is some represents existential quantifier. Now last one. There is a real number x such that x plus y equal to y for every real number y. So the quantifier used for x is there is a real number. So we have there exists x. And the quantifier corresponding to y is for every real number y. That is for all y. And the predicate here is x plus y equal to y.